Glen Ellyn has it all. There's a beautiful lake, a downtown full of local spots, and neighbors you actually know. And it's all under an hour from the city. There's tree-lined streets, the prairie path, parks everywhere, and a community that feels connected. Downtown's packed with cafes, boutiques, and restaurants. There's plenty of space and a quieter pace than the city. And there's a ton of great events that bring the community together. So whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or just looking for a place with personality, Glen Ellyn's worth a look.
Glen Ellyn's about 23 miles west of downtown Chicago, right in the heart of DuPage County. You have quick access to I-355 and I-88 and both O'Hare Midway airports. Commuting's easy with the Metra Union Pacific West line. Express trains can get you downtown in about 35 to 40 minutes. The station's right in downtown, so walking or biking is very common. Surrounded by great towns and attractions, Wheaton, Lombard, Oak Brook, Morton Arboretum, you're in the middle of it all. About 28,000 residents, plenty of amenities, and strong community spirit, they don't call it the Village of Volunteers for nothing.
The Park District manages 29 parks and over 300 acres. Lake Ellyn is really the gem. It's perfect for walking, fishing, picnics, and events. There's also Ackerman Sports Center, Sunset Pool, and the Village Links Golf Course. The Prairie Path runs right through town. It's great for biking, running, or just a casual stroll, and there's year-round programs and activities that keep everyone active. Downtown is walkable, full of unique shops and standout spots like Blackberry Market, a Totem Madre for tacos and margaritas, Fire and Wine, Maize and Mash, Nemec Brothers Pizza, and Pie Life.
Most of Glen Ellyn is in District 41 for kindergarten through 8th grade, with well-rated neighborhood schools and a strong junior high school. High schoolers have a couple of choices. We have Glenbard South and Glenbard West, which is a top-ranked school with strong academics, arts, and athletics. Other options include St. Pat's and nearby Catholic high schools, and the College of DuPage is right here too.
Now, if you're watching this channel, you probably care about the housing. Housing here in Glen Ellyn has a lot of charm and variety. You've got historic Victorian homes, bungalow-style homes, mid-century ranches, condos, and new builds. The median sales price is in the mid to upper 500,000s. Homes here sell quickly and often close to asking price. The inventory is competitive, but it's becoming more balanced. Under $350,000, you can expect condos or small homes. $400,000 to $500,000 gets you a starter single-family home. $500,000 to $700,000 offers larger, updated homes, and luxury homes start right around $800,000, often near Lake Ellyn or downtown. Buyers here are paying for character, community, and convenience. The Glen Ellyn lifestyle.
Lifestyle, location, and value all line up here. You can have a charming home in a friendly, vibrant town and still get in downtown in under an hour. If you're curious about Glen Ellyn, we'd be happy to show you around. Just click the link in the description to view our Google business page. Thanks for watching.
This is what we do, who we are.